Scoot, man. What it do, bro? It's your boy, man. Okay, so today's video, I'm gonna tell y'all the #1 tip to get 360 waves for beginners. Stay tuned. All right, man. So I'm gonna give y'all a #1 tip. What you need to start doing. Like, this is the #1 tip. Like, best tip. My advice, best tip. If you're a beginner, let's stop making this excuse on, oh, I don't got waves. I wish I had waves like this. Man, I want my waves to be silky like this. Buddy, listen to me. All you have to do is brush your hair. That's the #1 tip I'm gonna give you. That is the golden tip. That's the most valuable tip. You need to brush your hair. I don't care if you putting products in your hair. I don't care if you got all the fucking Ziploc bags to lay down your hair. Bro, if you do not brush your hair, you're not getting waves. I'm telling you that right now. So if you're not brushing your hair, if you're not doing any of that, what's the point? You know what I'm saying? So let me give you another tip. If you slack sometimes on your brushing and you want to bounce back, and this is a tip #2, really not too important, but I'm gonna give it to y'all. Start doing washing styles. Me, I wash my hair 3 times a week. That's Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. And the reason why I wash my hair 3 times a week is because I go to the gym, I do other stuff, and I be sweating. #3, let's start wearing our do-rags. Wear your do-rag, bro. It's so simple. Just put your do-rag on. It takes like 10 seconds to tie it on. It's not that hard, bro. When you don't wear your do-rag, and I'm telling you this because it happened to me, if you put your do-rag on and you don't properly put it on, hey, I have videos on that. Check it out. It's in my channel. When that do-rag come off, you're gonna lose all your progress. Your junk gonna be looking crazy. You're gonna try to brush it back. No. If your do-rag come off while you're sleeping, immediately go do a washing style. Don't play around. Go do a washing style. So definitely do that, man. Y'all need to do that. So let me start back over. Make sure you brush your hair. Second tip, make sure you're using that dang do-rag, bro. Doing that do-rag and doing that washing style. Those 3 tips would definitely get you to flawless or to intermediate if you're a beginner waver. Now again, brush your hair, washing style 3 times a week if you're a beginner, just my opinion, especially if you're coarse hair. Do that and definitely tie your do-rags right. Alright, man, so this is the end of the video. This is just a talking video. I just came back from the gym. I got other stuff to do, so I'm definitely gonna get into that. So, hey man, y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button. Definitely get some of the products in the description below. They're really recommended for beginners. On this channel, I'm literally trying to help beginners. Why? Because there's a lot of wavers out there. I even seen a dude, I went to the gym and I took my do-rag off. He's like, dog, damn, how your waves like that? I'm just like, bro, brush my hair. Sometimes I don't even put products and I brush my hair. Sometimes I just brush and I put my do-rag on. So, you know what I'm saying? So, if you definitely want to get waves, do them tips I said. You want any of the products I'm using, link in the description below. Hey, man, I'll catch you boys later. Peace.